Hi friends, it's Vidya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to show you guys how I'm planning to transplant a couple of rose climbers that I bought from Walmart. So before I get into the video, I want to just do a quick tour on my deck garden. It's still evolving. I'm making a lot of planters, but I want to show you guys how it looks now. If you guys watched my previous video on Walmart shopping, these are the two climbers that I have bought. One is the Don Juan and then Golden Shower. Both are I think $9.97. Yeah, it's about $10, and you can see they are actually have some buds, so that's really wonderful. So I'm planning to transplant them in a pot this year because I'm still working on garden landscaping. So we were thinking to change how my current garden is, maybe in the down the line. So to prevent the plant getting dried out and die this season, so I thought I will transplant to this pot, 12 plus inches I think, and I have taken two trellis so it can provide some support this year. I know the climbers grow vigorously. Look at that, my Zephyrin Ruhin started producing ton of buds and the blooms started opening, so it looks stunning. Maybe this year I'll just use these two climbers to support this plant. So without further ado, let's get into the video and see how I'm transplanting them. This is the first time I'm buying these kind of products from Walmart. I'm hoping that after untying this looks good. And you can see the plant is really looking great and healthy. Alright guys, this is Don John, and I think maybe they are packed with a cardboard paper, maybe. Nice, but I don't want to plant as is, so I'm going to remove the paper. Okay, so I'm going to leave it. Let me see. So the ground level should be just about the ground level, so I'm just going to dig a little more. And these are biodegradable, so should be okay. So I don't need to tear them apart. Yeah, things should be okay. I don't know how it will be for me to transplant them next year, but I'm hoping that this year I will enjoy some blooms from this. Alright guys, I have planted, so the crown is at the top and some of the things dried out, so you can just cut them so the plant looks clean and neat. And you can see once planted, just tap them. I'm planning to mulch them tomorrow once I have some mulch from the store. Now let's plant the golden shower. Okay, let me untie this. Golden shower. So once you remove the plastic cover, they are in a biodegradable the brown bag. You can see the root has started coming out of the brown bag. Okay. I have added maybe ½ inch of compost. Alright guys, so the crown or the bud union above the top, so I'm just going to tap them gently. I can remove any air pockets. Okay, so both of the climbing rose plants are now planted. Hopefully this year the plant grows well, and then next year I can find a permanent place in my garden and show them. Look at my deck garden in the sunshine, guys. It's pretty. And my solar water fountain also started. I don't know guys, I thought it will regularly run, but it takes a break. Maybe it charges and then it runs. Anyway, my water fountain, it's a solar one, so it runs on solar. It takes a little break and then it comes. Pretty nice.